If you are looking for the best smart door locks, then you are in the right place. Because we are about to show you the top 5 best smart door locks in 2023. Then let's begin. In the era of technological advancements, our homes are becoming smarter and more connected than ever before. One innovative creation that has transformed the way we secure our living spaces is the introduction of smart locks. Besides, smart locks are electronic devices designed to replace traditional locks and keys, offering a more modern and intelligent way to protect our homes. 5. Lockly Vision Elite. The first one on our list is Lockly Vision Elite, which goes above and beyond with its exciting additions. It combines a smart lock system with a video doorbell that includes a night vision camera, motion sensor, fingerprint reader, numeric keypad, and an integrated solar panel to recharge its battery. With its high-energy lithium rechargeable batteries and solar-enhanced charging, you can rely on long-lasting power without the need for frequent battery changes. Besides, you can experience true peace of mind by upgrading your home security with Lockly. One of the standout features of Lockly Vision Elite is the patented pinging touchscreen, which enhances security by preventing unauthorized code guessing. Price: $499.99. Lock type: a smart door lock with an integrated video doorbell. Battery: lithium-ion battery with a solar panel for enhanced charging. 4. Yale Assure Lock 2. The second on our list is the Yale Assure Lock 2. Say goodbye to traditional keys and welcome a simpler way of accessing your home with keyless entry and the Yale Assure Lock 2. With the Yale Access app, you can enjoy the sleek design that enhances both security and convenience. Moreover, upgrading your home security has never been easier with the Yale Assure Lock 2. Benefit from the key-free entry with features like auto unlock and keypad access. Price: $179.99. Control: simplified access control with the Yale Access app. Customizable access privileges. Voice commands with Apple Siri for hands-free unlocking. 3. UltraLock Latch 5 Fingerprint. The UltraLock Latch 5 Fingerprint is an amazing smart door lock that offers the ultimate security and innovation. It uses advanced fingerprint recognition technology to provide a seamless and secure way to unlock your door. Moreover, this smart lock offers effortless access through various methods: fingerprint, smartphone app, code, or key. Besides, it provides an impressive 99.8% accurate 360-degree live fingerprint ID. Additionally, sharing access with others is effortless with the UltraLock Latch 5. Price: $189.99. Fingerprint recognition. Advanced technology. Unlocking options. Fingerprint, smartphone app, code, or key. 2. Elimake FSDB 801B. The fourth one on our list is Elimake FSDB 801B, a door lock that combines top-notch security with convenience. Also, it guarantees long-lasting performance and resistance to everyday wear and tear. Besides, with its advanced internet remote operation, you can take full control of your door, enjoying features such as temporary passwords, member management, long-distance unlocking, entrance monitoring, and automatic notifications. Price: $139.99. Compatibility: compatible with Wi-Fi, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa. Purposes: upgrading homes or offices with a stylish and reliable solution. 1. Wise Lock Bolt. The Wise Lock Bolt Smart Lock is an exceptional choice for seeking convenience and security. Besides, its sleek design and compact size make it a seamless addition to your existing hardware, without any additional drilling or wiring. Moreover, the lock's keypad ensures easy and secure access with its fingerprint unlock feature and anti-peep keypad. You can also stay informed about your lock's activity and set an auto-lock timer for added peace of mind. Furthermore, the installation is a breeze as it easily replaces your existing deadbolt, and the lock is pick-proof and weather-resistant. In just 20 minutes, you can upgrade your door's security with this user-friendly choice. Price: $73.99. Activity monitoring. Stay informed about lock activity. Battery life. For 4Ah batteries, provide 10 to 12 months of reliable performance.